This will be a review of Dr. Young's PLUS study. It is important because it showed that the PLUS can be used for prevention in its early stage and be effective for prevention. Here I present the data and how I reduced it. The problem with this data is that he calculated a t-value. Well, the t-values typically run about 7 or 8, but the t-value doesn't really give you the impression of the test or the validity of the test. But read what he has to say. Okay, what he shows is annual rates for left and right eye, the standard deviation, and beginning RX for left and right. And then he groups age, where he shows bifocal for n equals 22 eyes, and so forth, including degrees of freedom of 60. It's very difficult to make sense of this study, and there is no calculated p-value in this data. So let me show you the p-value. Here's Dr. Young's data, but now reorganized and set up to calculate the p-value. The p-value is important because it shows the significance or the validity, the accuracy, and the value of the test. There are the two equations. One is for n greater than 30, and then the so-called student's t-test. And there's the equation for that. This calculation was done in Excel, which was not used when Dr. Reen created his study. Now, I will go through and turn the pages. Here is the bifocal study for kids from 6 to 8 for 1 year. There is the p-value. It is 1.9 times 10 to the minus 11. That is compared to high probability if it is less than 0.01. This indicates that the test was extremely highly significant. There is a calculated t-value of 7.2. That doesn't mean a lot, although it's valid in statistics. What really counts is the p-value for 1 year. It was 1.9, as you see. Here is for the age 9 for 1 year. Again, note the p-value is 3 times 10 to the minus 12 when highly significant is less than 0.01. These are incredibly significant results. I provided the calculations of the difference in X, and so forth is shown. I will attach this on this video for your examination. And again, age 10 for 1 year only. Very significant. Here, the significance is 3 times 10 to the minus 18th. These significant levels are incredible. This was a totally successful test. The test only shows the advisability of using the PLUS for prevention when you're 20/40. And the last one, as you can see, age 11, 10 to the minus 12th. These results were not recognized when Dr. Young ran the test because he did not reduce it to the point of the p-value. I will post this and these two studies for your interest, calculations. Thank you very much.